Hello everyone, in this movie, I am going to talk about our research using the supercomputer Fugaku for PAX collaboration. First, let me introduce myself. I am Ryutaro Tsuji, working for the high energy and nuclear physics at KEK. My research interests are the hadron physics and lattice QCD. This is an abstract of our research about the internal structure of the proton and the neutron, in short, Nucleon. What I emphasize here is that the Nucleon structure studies have great contributions into the wide range of the physics. For example, from the aspect of the hadron physics, this study gives a quantitative description of a non-trivial quark-gluon dynamics. In addition, Nucleon structure study is the key to closing on the new physics in both particle and nuclear physics. From now on, I am going to talk about our research. Our target nucleons are the building blocks of the matters. Nucleon is very tiny, however, it is known that the nucleon is also made of the elementary particles. This indicates that the nucleon has a non-trivial structure in a consequence of the dynamics of those elementary particles. How can we investigate the inside of the nucleon? Since the nucleon is too small to investigate with an ordinary microscope, accelerated experiments or numerical calculations with HPC are necessary. In this study, we will be investigating the nucleon structure with HPC. Here, let me briefly introduce how we calculate the nucleon structure. In the standard model of the modern particle physics, the dynamics of the quarks and gluons which form the nucleon is formulated by quantum chromodynamics, in short QCD. This study, we employ lattice QCD, which is only first principle numerical calculation of QCD, where the physical quantities are evaluated as these equations. This calculation carries both of the statistical and systematic uncertainties. In this movie, I am going to present the results for the nucleon axial vector coupling. The nuclear matrix elements with the axial vector current can be represented by two form factors, which describes the internal structure of the nucleon. The axial vector coupling is defined as the value of the form factor at zero momentum transfer. This value is precisely known by the experiments, therefore, this calculation is a milestone calculation to calculate the quantities which are difficult in the experiments. This value gives important information for the spontaneous chiral symmetry breaking and neutron lifetime puzzle. Let me describe our simulation details. What I emphasize here is that we are performing a large volume calculation at the physical point. This enables us to eliminate two major systematic uncertainties, finite size effect and chiral extrapolation. Especially, the physical point calculation is our strong point. In the conventional studies, simulations with unphysical setups are widely used in order to reduce the computational cost. However, this causes a systematic uncertainty accompanied with the chiral extrapolation. Therefore, we exclude the systematic uncertainty by calculating only at the physical point. These are the results and a comparison. This purple vertical line represents the experimental value. Our results reproduce the experimental value within the statistical precision without any extrapolation. Thanks to our physical calculation setups, this high precision and high accuracy determination from the first principle is available. This is a summary of my movie. Thank you for your attention.